Ever struggled to focus on work with constant noise around you? That was me, distracted, overwhelmed, and completely unproductive in noisy environments. Then one day I stumbled upon something that changed everything: the Soundcore Anker Life Q20 headphones. The high-res audio certification and 40mm dynamic drivers immediately stood out. I was intrigued by the promise of 90% noise cancellation. It sounded like the perfect solution for drowning out chaotic background sounds. When they arrived, I was blown away by the sleek design and attention to detail. But the real magic happened when I put them on. It was like stepping into a world of my own. The noise cancellation is incredible. It blocked out everything from barking dogs to noisy neighbors. For the first time in ages, I could truly focus. And let's talk comfort. The memory foam ear cups are a game changer. I've worn these headphones for hours, during work, travel, and even casual listening sessions. And they're so comfortable, it's like they're not even there. With 60 hours of battery life, I can go days without needing to recharge. Whether it's back-to-back meetings or a long-haul flight, these headphones always keep up with me. The difference is undeniable. No more distractions, no more interruptions, just pure focus and immersive sound. Whether it's work, study, or relaxation, the Soundcore Anker Life Q20 delivers every time. They're not just for home or the office. The lightweight design makes them perfect for travel. From noisy airplanes to bustling cafes, these headphones are my go-to escape from the chaos. Imagine being able to block out distractions, focus on what matters, and enjoy sound quality that elevates your entire experience. That's what the Soundcore Anker Life Q20 does for me, and it can do the same for you. So, if you're tired of distractions and ready to take your focus and your sound to the next level, what are you waiting for? Grab your Soundcore Anker Life Q20 headphones today.